If instant deposit is not available on your Robinhood account, it's likely due to your bank account not being linked with Plaid. So it has to be linked with Plaid for you to be able to do instant deposits. If you go to your account drop down and then down to transfers, inside of here, as you scroll down, you're going to see the linked accounts section. So no matter what your bank account is here, I mean, you may have to unlink and relink it. However, when you're going through the add new account process and you're selecting bank account, the first thing that will pop up, at least these days on Robinhood, is using Plaid to connect your account. You do not have to create an account or have an account with your phone number. You can actually just click this continue as guest button, and that will let you then choose your bank account and sign in and link it with Plaid to Robinhood. Once you've done that, that will allow you to do instant deposits. So that's probably why instant deposit is not available for you. In the past, if you linked your account just using routing number and account number, they won't be able to do instant deposits doing that. So you have to do it with Plaid in that flow that we just showed you. So if it's an old account that you have linked, that might be why instant deposit is not available. And that's how you can fix it here on Robinhood.